Good evening, crypto warriors. I'm Andrea, and we've got breaking news as Ethereum drops below $2,500 today, sparking market jitters. Let me break this down. According to Binance data, ETH declined 0.38% in 24 hours, hitting 2,499.72 USDT at 9:28 a.m. UTC. This dip comes amid broader market uncertainty, but there's more to unpack. Paul, back in the office, let's get your analysis.
Thanks, Andrea. ETH's drop below $2,500 is a critical technical threshold. If bulls fail to reclaim $2,800, a key resistance level, the asset could face further downside. However, a reclaim would open the door to a rally toward $4,000. Meanwhile, on-chain data shows $750 million inflows into ETH as institutional players front-run a potential breakout. This divergence suggests short-term volatility but long-term confidence in Ethereum's ecosystem.
Visit immute.io now. Get in early on this incredible crypto earning opportunity. Immute is a revolutionary crypto technology that allows holders to earn crypto from transaction fees. The more people use Immute token, the more you earn. This is because Immute is a smart contract, an amazing crypto innovation that allows for automation on the blockchain based on human instruction. More is explained in our white paper. So what are you waiting for? Buy your Immute tokens now.
Switching gears, we're seeing massive inflows into Ethereum and Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism. Farah's here live from the lakeside to dive into this surge. Farah?
Thanks, Andrea. Crypto Rover's insights reveal unprecedented capital pouring into ETH and L2s today, signaling investor optimism about scalability and network growth. Arbitrum and Optimism's adoption is booming, with traders anticipating a packaged rally for both ETH and its top Layer 2s. Watch for liquidity spikes here. These tokens could lead the next altcoin surge.
To recap, ETH faces a make-or-break moment at $2,800, while Layer 2s ride institutional momentum. Stay tuned for updates on that mysterious major event rumors hinting at next week. Until then, Paul and I will keep tracking these moves. A huge thank you to Farah for her lakeside report. It's all about those smart contract superhighways. Crypto Gains. HD. Elevating your portfolio, one blockchain at a time.